The concept of passive income is highly appealing. Making a regular income that lasts for years may not be easy, but it's well worth the effort. If you have, ideally, several income streams that come to you without having to do anything, you can live anywhere in the world and do whatever you want with your time. In order to generate passive income, you only do the work once and are paid for months or even years to come. Thanks to this video's brilliant passive income ideas, you'll be one step closer to living the dream life with all the money you need. So here's a list of 20 realistic passive income ideas. Let's start. Number 1. Rent out housing over the short term. Renting a house is a simple concept that takes advantage of those with extra home space. You can list your house on Airbnb, Vrbo, or other services. You can also establish rental terms. Furthermore, this income is not overly taxed because the home belongs to you. It's easy to see why owning rental homes is a fantastic way to create passive income. However, allowing strangers to remain in your home can be difficult and unsafe. Your personal property may be harmed or destroyed. If you decide to opt to go this route, we advise storing vital belongings and locking them up. Number 2. Get involved in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves collaborating with a firm to display and promote its products or services. It's pretty straightforward. You earn a commission if someone clicks on one of your affiliate links and makes a purchase. A few easy strategies exist to create passive money from your affiliate marketing connections. Sponsors could be mentioned on your YouTube channel or podcast. You can even give buying advice with links to the company's items or assemble product reviews, video unboxings, and more. Do some research to find a brand that fits your core values and the needs of your audience. Number 3. Create an online course. Creating an online course that people can buy again and again, much like writing a book, is an excellent method to make passive income. Sure, it'll take some time, work, and the talent to construct the course, but once completed, you can put it online and profit from every transaction. There are almost no boundaries to the topics you can cover with your online course. Personal trainers could produce a series of exercise films, cooks could launch an online cooking class, and accountants could teach others how to do accountancy. You might create an online course and earn money from it if you have a skill or specialized knowledge. Number 4. Invest in REITs. If you want a hands-off approach to investing that does not require acquiring your property, you should go for real estate investment trusts, or REITs. The idea is straightforward. An REIT is a firm that owns and manages real estate which can be purchased in shares similar to dividend stocks. As the law mandates REITs to distribute at least 90% of taxable revenue to shareholders, they often provide higher returns. However, not all are made equal, and you'll need to do some homework to choose a good REIT. They're accessible for a wide range of industries, from healthcare buildings to commercial apartments, each of which performs differently in the economy. What should you look out for? Tenants' rent payment history, a reasonable debt rate, and overall status of the economy are all factors to consider before investing in an REIT. Number 5. Invest in royalties. When you invest in royalties, you get paid for the continued use or ownership of a type of asset, whether physical or digital. It could be any product, even a song. Owners of such assets frequently sell royalties to raise funds, allowing investors to profit from the product's success. There are many different sorts of royalties to invest in, ranging from copyrighted works like books and music to natural resources. You can begin collecting royalty income by participating in royalty auctions or purchasing shares in royalty income trusts. It's best to stay with something you understand when you're investing in royalty. If you have experience running a franchise business, you could make royalties that way. Whatever you select, royalties can be a terrific way to generate passive income as long as the asset itself is profitable. Number 6. Stake cryptocurrencies. Consider staking cryptocurrencies as a passive income investment if you're already invested in cryptocurrency. Crypto staking allows you to earn Bitcoin using your existing holdings, similar to how an investor earns dividends or interest on existing stocks or bonds. Cryptocurrencies that allow staking use a consensus method known as proof of stake. It ensures all transactions on a blockchain are secure and confirmed without the need for a middleman. By staking your cryptocurrency, you're volunteering it for that validation process on the underlying blockchain. The benefit is the possibility of accumulating more coins over time. In other circumstances, Crypto staking requires you to retain your assets for a set duration, during which you cannot trade or sell them. This method makes crypto staking ideal for those who intend to hold on to their crypto assets for an extended period. Crypto staking isn't available on all cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, so study up to find out where it is and isn't. Number 7. Create an app. Building an app is another option to create passive income if you already have programming knowledge or have an idea for an app that you've wanted to try. You may have a concept for an app but lack the necessary skills to implement it. So how should you go about it then? Well, you may engage a developer or programmer to build it for you in this situation. While this strategy can be lucrative if it works, it requires much research for the app itself and how you'll sell it after it's completed. Remember that your app can only achieve the desired popularity with a well-thought-out marketing strategy. Knowing your target audience and developing a marketing and distribution strategy for your app is essential for its success. Number 8. Become a silent business partner. You could become a silent business partner if you desire to own a firm but lack the time or expertise. In other words, you contribute financially to the company while your partner handles the day-to-day operations. After you put your money into the company, you'll get a regular share of the profits, and a share of the company will back your money. Here's the good news. If you want to avoid investing in your dubious friend's business idea, there are a number of websites for entrepreneurs looking for a silent business partner to invest in their venture. Number 9. Write an ebook. Writing a book or ebook is a good way of generating passive revenue because you only need to write the book once. You'll get royalties every time somebody buys a copy, which might quickly add up if you hit the proper target. Royalties for a printed book often range from 5 to 20% of the book's price. Ebooks are even more profitable, paying roughly 25%. Audiobooks typically pay royalties ranging from 10 to 25%. It would be best if you published a terrific book to earn a living from your writing. However, a few sales could help you make additional money for an upcoming holiday or bring you closer to your early retirement aspirations. Number 10. Sell stock photos. If you constantly have your camera with you and you're known for capturing beautiful shots, you may monetize your hobby by selling your images to stock photography organizations. With these, you'll get a cut of the money when somebody buys a photo from a third-party site. The most well-known companies are the finest places to sell your photographs, as these have the most customers who might see, love, and buy your images. Try Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Alame, and other similar sites. Even if you have a smartphone, several stock companies will buy high-quality images taken with it, so sophisticated equipment is optional for this passive income concept. Number 11. Become a drop shipper. Drop shipping is one of the best passive income ideas for making money from anywhere, even if you have limited money. Some drop shippers make even six-figure incomes. Drop shipping, on the other hand, is not a get-rich-quick scam because it requires an initial time investment to create. Drop shipping is a business concept that entails opening an e-commerce store. The intriguing thing about drop shipping is that you don't have to see or handle the items you sell. Your supplier handles everything from manufacture to packaging to fulfillment when you use drop shipping. This passive income business has a low cash risk because you only send money to your provider once your clients pay, but you need to make sure you have a great marketing strategy. Number 12. Rent your car. If your car is sitting in your driveway, you may make money by lending it to others while you're not using it. Depending on your area and automobile model, you might make a lot of money with this money-making concept. Depending on where you live, you might also make a good living by renting out your driveway or garage. Parking spaces in significant cities are precious, and people will pay a premium for a safe, assured place to put their car. Number 13. Design t-shirts. A few websites will work with you to turn your designs into trendy t-shirts or other products. With this business idea, all you have to do is create the product designs and the supplier will execute the rest, giving you a cut of the earnings anytime your ideas sell. You can make money from your designs by selling them on Amazon. You must upload your designs, and Amazon will manufacture, sell, package, and ship the product, so you may relax and reap the benefits. Number 14. Social media sponsored posts. Do you have a large following on social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok? Obtain payment from growing consumer brands to post about their product or feature it in your feed. Remember, The more you update your profile with material that appeals to your target audience, the more traffic it'll generate. That involves continuing to develop interesting social media postings that expand your reach and engage your fans. Making the most of your social media presence is an appealing business approach. Draw attention and clicks to your profile with engaging material, and then monetize it by arranging sponsored posts from brands that appeal to your audience. Number 15. Advertise using your vehicle. You can make some additional money by driving around town in your car. Contact a professional driving agency to assess your driving patterns, including where and how many miles you drive. If you're a good fit for one of their sponsors, the agency will wrap your automobile in advertisements at no cost to you. Agencies prefer modern vehicles, and drivers must have a clean driving record. While you will have to get out and drive, if you're already putting in the mileage, this is a good opportunity to earn hundreds of dollars every month with little or no additional investment. Drivers can be compensated per mile. However, because many scams are linked with car advertising, engaging with a reliable organization is critical. Number 16. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. A dividend is a percentage of a company's profits that it pays out to investors regularly, usually quarterly. Dividend stocks may not provide as high a return as more unpredictable growth stocks. However, they're often more reliable and can be a fantastic source of steady income payouts. There are many companies from which you can purchase dividend stocks. The trick is to thoroughly investigate potential firms before making a purchase. Instead of seeking the biggest returns, look for companies with a strong track record of sustained growth. The good news is that high-performing corporations may potentially raise dividend payouts over time. Number 17. Create a blog or YouTube channel. Are you a specialist at how to travel on a budget? A Minecraft guru? A king of salsa at the dance parties? Turn your passion into a blog or YouTube channel and monetize it with commercials or sponsors. Find a subject, even if it's a tiny niche, and become an expert in it. You'll need to generate a lot of content and attract an audience to start, but as you become recognized for your engaging content, it may provide a stable revenue stream over time. Number 18. Become a peer-to-peer lender. Another sort of crowdfunding is peer-to-peer, or P2P, lending, which allows users to borrow money from individual investors. You can be matched to an individual requesting a loan through P2P services like Lending Club, Prosper, and Upstart, and lend your money as an installment loan while earning interest. You could even make more than a bank. It depends on the loan. The interest payments on the loans provide passive income. However, because the loan is unsecured, there is the possibility of default. To reduce this risk, entrepreneurs should diversify their portfolios and make informed decisions about borrowers and credit histories. Number 19. Create a job board. As an internet entrepreneur, a job board is an excellent method to generate passive income. Employers use these websites to post their job openings. Applicants may check for fresh offers both online and in person. Employers would pay to advertise positions on your job board, and you could provide premium benefits such as sponsored jobs or unrestricted access to your applicant database. Creating websites these days is the easy part, with many ready themes available. Marketing is what you need to focus on to make it a substantial income source. Number 20. Open a high-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account is one of the simplest ways to create passive income that only demands a little money up front, if you're looking for a set-it-and-forget-it approach. Your earnings from this type of account come from the interest it generates. While a high-yield savings account may provide a lower return than other passive income alternatives, it will always earn more than a traditional checking account. They're more suited for short-term savings goals, such as accumulating an emergency fund. When you find a high-interest savings account, it would be best to examine the fine print. Focus on the conditions you must meet to obtain that rate. There are many straightforward and rewarding ways to generate passive income. You can begin with one and gradually add more to earn even more money. Remember that some ideas need more work than others, so choose what works best for you. That's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember to subscribe to The Growth Mindset and share this video with your friends. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.